Hello and welcome to a new video here at Chroma Lights TV. Hello and welcome back. Long time no video sa inyong lahat. Today, this video, we will be tackling. This is part of our video series here at Chroma Lights for the second half of 2023 or the product lineup for the second half of 2023. Of course, sa video na ito, ang una nating i-discuss is yung ating mga bagong design. Alright, na-tease na namin sa social media to and alam nyo na ang ating bagong design is Sharingan Halo, which is nakakabit sa Mustang na to, and yung ating Heart Halos or the Kokoro Halos, which means heart in Japanese. So, dalawang design, Sharingan and yung ating Kokoro Halos, which is the Heart Halos. Ngayon, yung Hex Halos natin na pinasikat natin back in the day, available pa rin siya, but it will be available in multicolor. We'll show that to you by the end of this video. Unahin na muna natin yung pinakasikat na bago, which is the Sharingan Halo. Alright, luhod tayo, Mr. Cameraman, and let's see, pag-usapan natin tong halo na to. So, kita ba? Do you need to zoom in more? Okay? Can you move? Yan. In the app, actually, yes, multicolored siya. At the same time, this can actually be controlled sa app. You can turn it off in the app. You can turn it on in the app. So, umuulan nga pala. Bear with the audio, okay? So, we can actually increase the brightness, lower the brightness as well. So, rainy season ngayon sa Pilipinas. Sorry sa inyo, guys. And so, where were we? Habang hindi pa lumalakas yung ulan na sobra, yes, you can actually increase the brightness, change the colors. Multicolor siya. We have amber, red, green, blue, white. So, bago natin ito ituloy, hindi pwede ang pula, green, blue sa daan. Please use this with discretion. Binibigyan namin kayo ng freedom pumili ng kulay, pero ito lang pong dalawang ito ang legal na kulay. Of course, puti at amber. Actually, kung gusto mong may kulay, pero legal sa daan, amber tayo. So, pakita muna natin sa mga tropa natin ang ating bagong halo. Let's just do a quick summary again. You can turn off the light using the app. It is indeed multicolored. This is the amber color. This is the red. This is the green. This is the blue. Sorry, I'm looking at the screen of the camera. And this is the white. You can increase the brightness and you can lower the brightness of the halo kasi nahihirapan i-pick up ng camera natin. Actually, sobrang baba ng brightness niya ngayon sa totoong buhay. You can barely see it talaga. Now, the Sharingan Halo is, yes, galing sa Naruto. Sharingan, yung mata ng mga Uchiha. Okay, I'm pretty sure alam niya ng generation natin, pare ko. So, ngayon, let's actually show them the modes. You can actually select the modes for various modes, actually. You can actually select spinning red. Okay? There's actually multiple modes. Hindi ko nadadaanan lahat, kasi sobrang dami. There's like 100 modes for this. Pero just let's go to the basic ones, which is actually the speed of it you can actually adjust as well. Wait lang, pakita natin. Let's pick a solid red color na naikot. Yan, that's the spinning red. So, dynamic Sharingan Halo siya. It's not a static like this one. It's actually moving talaga. Now, you can actually speed up and slow down the spin. So, yan, mabagal na siya. Halos hindi na siya gumagalaw. You can actually make it fast. And you can make it bright and fast if you want. Alright? So, ganyan. Alright, so, once again, yan yung bago nating Sharingan Halos. Ano ba mga kailangan natin sabihin dito? This will only fit a really big headlight lens. Hindi siya pwede sa mga Montero, Fortuner, yung mga singkit yung headlight, hindi kakasya yan. So, bear in mind nga pala, this is talagang hindi pwede yung kulay, okay? So, what do you guys think? I don't know, there's not much to say. This is a demo of the Halo. Pakita natin yung turn signal. Can you zoom out a bit and let's do a hazard for the car. This actually has a hazard function or a turn signal function. Ayos ba? Kita ba? Okay, it's a bit bright. Nahirapan yung ating cameraman. Let's lower down the ISO for him. Ayan. So, kita nyo na yung animation ng turn signal. Lapitan mo pa ba ito eh. Ayan. Alright, the other side. So, meron siyang turn signal function additional for it. Okay? Alright, sige. Now, let's go back to the video. Alright, so there's not much to say about the Sharingan halo. It's just basically it's actually just a circular halo na nilagyan lang natin ng konting inspiration from the anime Naruto. It's still the same as a dynamic circular halo. May konting accents lang siya. So that's why ginawa namin. And then you guys can actually order this sa Chromalights. If you want to sell it retail, let us know. We're actually selling the product separately na. Not only that, ini-install namin siya, binibenta rin namin yung item if you are far from Chromalights. Okay, so the next halo na pag-uusapan natin, sadly, wala dito yung kotse. Na-release ko na yung kotse. Let's just talk about it, the Heart Halos. I'll be displaying here yung itsura niya. Nakapag-video naman kami nun. So, the Heart Halos are actually similar lang dito sa Sharingan halo natin. Pero, the difference is that the Heart Halos does not spin. It's just a static color. It is a multicolor. As you can see in the video right now, nagbabago-bago yung kulay niya. Same color combinations, amber, white, and all the color spectrum. May mga modes din siya, pero hindi siya controlled ng cellphone. Hindi siya katulad ng Sharingan halo natin na nakakontrol siya ng Bluetooth. Alright? For the Sharingan halo, you can control it with your phone. Okay? Yung sa Heart halo natin, it is actually being controlled by RF remote. So, bakit gano'n ang ginawa namin? So, mas premium yung Sharingan halo at meron siyang spinning option eh. So, sa phone mo i-configure yon. So, we figured that's the best application for that. Now, for the Heart halo naman, since it's a static color lang, hindi siya umiikot, a simple RF remote is enough. Tsaka madali siyang i-control, hindi mo na kailangan i-connect. So, there's some pros and cons to it, okay? So, the Heart halos will fit most of the headlights na singkit. It's the direct opposite of the Sharingan halo. The Sharingan halo is big, will fit Montero Gen 2s, Mustang, Cities. Pero pag mga GM6 na, Heart halo na lang yung mailalagay. Okay? So yun lang naman. Actually, there's another car there na naka-Sharingan halo, yung demo car natin from Fitment TV. Pero halos masingkit na yung headlight niya. Pinilit lang namin, pinagpracticean namin. So it wouldn't work. But for the Heart halos, you can actually install it on very, very narrow headlights. Thank you nga pala sa mga Pioneer clients natin. Okay, the Pioneer client for the Heart halo is Eric, yung naka-BMW M3 wide body na naka-airsus din sa atin. And of course, si Sir Nior for the Sharingan halo na naka-Mustang Mark 5 na naka-airsus din sa Fitment TV. Alright? So, that is our new products for the design side ng ating product lineup for the second half of 2023. Actually, February dapat namin i-release yung Heart halo. Pero, since meron kaming idea na ilabas din yung Sharingan, inintay na lang namin lumabas parehas. So, yeah. We're going to do a desk demo rin ng Hex natin. Our Hex halos are still here. We're just going to have to demo it to you on a table after this video. Or probably show you a video. Meron tayong video ng Everest, right? I have that video right now. Well, let's play it somewhere here or here. Basically, yung ating Hex halo na famous is multicolor na rin. Same with the Heart halos. Same controller with the Heart halos and same remote. So, yun lang naman. I don't know how long this video will be. It's a run and gun type video. We'll probably do another product lineup video for the Osram projectors. So I just wanted to make a quick video para i-highlight na to. A formal, quick video. Kasi lahat ng mga video natin before is just sa cellphone. So at least ngayon for the YouTube channel, we have a demo na for our Sharingan halo. What do you guys think? Okay? Sharingan, Heart, and nga pala, pakita natin yung mga bagong stickers natin for the product lineup din ng ating second half of 2023. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. So we have Hex. We have Hex stickers. Reflective to nga pala. Thank you kay Higher Aperture. So we have Chromalight stickers na puso, hexagon, and of course, the all-time favorite, Sharingan. So pag nag-purchase ka ng ilaw ng Chromalights, pag binili mo Sharingan, patulad nito, lagyan natin ito ng Sharingan na sticker dito. Kasi meron siyang biniling Sharingan halos. So, yung mga bibili ng Heart, pwede kayong mag-Heart, pwede rin kayong mag-Hex. Ito yung classic Hex natin. As you can see it. Classic Hex, Heart. Actually, pwede naman tanggalin yung para makita mo in like its actual sticker form. Oh, di ba? Yan. Chromalights heart sticker. If you bought a heart halo, you'll be able to have the sticker na to. And then, balik muna natin, baka masira. Boom. Ito tayo sa Sharingan halo. Ikaw, Val, gusto mo ng puso?
Heart.
Heart. Bigyan natin si Boss Val ng ating heart halo. So this is the Sharingan halo. Dikit na natin dito kasi ito naman ang ating in-avail na product. Tagilid is fine or dapat diretso? Mas okay ba to? Dikit na natin, Boss Nyor. Thank you po sa suporta. Chromalights. Okay. Let it settle muna. And of course, yung ating classic hex design is ito pa rin. Lahat yan reflective, okay? So it's not just a white sticker. Meron siyang sparkles. So, yan. This is the hex, the heart, and the Sharingan halos. So what do you guys think? Okay ba siya? Ayos. So, ito is, kaya namin nabuo nga pala to is dahil napagtripan na lang namin. Like, Brad, wala nang bago sa lighting scene natin. Yung hexagon, ginaya na ng mga competitors natin. Puro angel eyes na lang. Turbine din. Walang bago. So I was like, you know what? Gumawa tayo ng mga kakaibang halos. Okay? So if you're a client and you want some stickers, we have new stickers for Chromalights as well. This is our development for the second half of 2023. Alright? So hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you haven't, please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. It really helps. 1.6,000 subscribers here at Chroma. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta. Okay, announcement nga pala. We are actually the distributor, the official distributor ng Osram Automotive Projector. So, of course, I know some of the people that it is in the lighting scene na nakikita yung mga past videos ng ibang nating competitor na sinasabi, peke daw yung Osram natin and everything. Don't worry. You can only get the original, legitimate Osram projector sa amin. If you actually want to become a dealer at meron kang business, gusto mo mag-ilaw din, we are actually the distributor of Osram. If you want to be a dealer, please hit us up. Call us in this number. Okay, call us at the number and we'll give you a rate for the Osram products. Free for all po to. Walang exclusivity. If you want to be a dealer, let us know. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng mga produkto. Tuturuan po namin ng mga tao nyo na magkabit ng projector as well. This is to revolutionize and recognize the tuning scene. Ang tawag kasi sa retrofit sa ibang bansa is tuning. So, tuning ng headlights. This is part of it. Sa Pilipinas, it's widely known as retrofit. So, if you want to be a dealer, let us know. Mas madami tayong detail pag dumating na yung demo kits natin ng Osram. We will demonstrate sa inyo the lineup, CBI Advance, CBI Laser, CBI All Season. So lahat yun papakita natin sa inyo on the upcoming video. So stay tuned para doon, okay? So, product lineup video for the second half of 2023. Complete. Ito yung ating mga designs, bagong designs for the second half of 2023. So, it was a short ad-lib video. Hope you liked that. Wala tayong script for this. It's a very rainy season. Uwi na kasi to. Uwi na tong coaching to. And we want you guys to see the product before we deliver the car to the owner. Okay, so Sir Nior, thank you so much sa tiwala. And pakita naman natin yung buong kotse, Brad. This is a Mark 5 Mustang. Okay? Na suki na client natin yan, Brad. Very, very big support. Thank you, boss, sa suporta simula pre-pandemic pa lang. That's going to be it for now. I'm your host, Kyle. This has been Chromalights TV. I'll see you on the next episode. Salamat. Bye.